Today's video is gonna be about this unboxing. I'll be unboxing this package from the Curl Bible. Alright, so before we open it, I am gonna talk about this packaging. It's so cute. Looks like an actual Bible. Look at the pages. Any hair products or hair tools that you need, it comes straight to your door. You just order it online and it's there at your home. You don't have to leave. So I'm just gonna pop this box open. I'm having difficulties trying to open this box. First, I'm using keys. Secondly, they taped this up real good. Let's go ahead and open it. So it's just a packing slip. It doesn't have how much I paid for the stuff, but it just has the items on here. Alright, so first let's talk about these. I have these cute little headbands. I'll be wearing these like when I'm doing skincare or makeup, anything like that. When I'm washing my face, this is a cute way to pull your hair back and protect your edges from getting wet. Let me put this on. Okay, so let's start with the IKEA Korean collection. I got the full collection from off of the Curl Bible, and it comes with the shampoo, conditioner, a leave-in, and a edge control. Let's start with the shampoo. So let's see what it smells like. Yeah, this is what I like right here. Let's see what it says. It has avocado oil, grapefruit, and cucumber extracts. So I love a fruity smell. That's that citrusy grapefruit. That smells really good. And then curl defining conditioner with avocado oil, grapefruit, and lemongrass extracts. And this has a citrusy smell too, but it smells a little sweeter. Yeah, it just smells really good. This is the Slicky edge control. The edge control smells really clean. It smells like it reminds me of like a bubble bath or body wash. Let me see. Let me touch it real quick. Okay, it's clear. And the consistency is kind of tacky. Can you see that? So that's gonna be interesting. Let me read the description. Hold on. Just trying to scrape this back in there. Alright, it says this clear, firm holding pomade smooths and holds the most unruly hair. I don't know if that's on my edges in the beginning, but my hair is pretty unruly. No matter what edge control I put on here, it looks nice and slick and it just sprouts back up. So I'm excited to try this. It says with shea butter and coconut oil creates a silky smooth touchable finish. Non-greasy, because that's usually what edge control does in my hair, because my hair is fine, so it feels greasy. So it's non-greasy and flake free with long lasting hold that keeps edges and short styles in place. We'll see. And this is her curl defining leave-in conditioner. And this smells like it reminds me of, this is weird, but it reminds me of the scent of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I guess it's like a vanilla-ish. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's what it smells like to me, vanilla-ish. And next, the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. So I will be using these. I'm gonna do the challenge. I think it's a 28-day challenge or something like that. I'm gonna use these drops every single day for 28 days or however long this whole bottle lasts, and see what it does for my edges. I'll keep log of my results as I go. The next set, I have some styling products here from Sonia. Are my hands ashy? My hands are ashy. Hold on. Okay. Now that we all lotioned up, Sonia hair cream. And the flaxseed gel. So from my understanding, these are like natural products. Let me see. I'm gonna read the ingredients, see how natural they are. Water, flax seeds, aloe vera gel, polyquaternium. They have these little stickers on here, so let me show you that little detail. It says made with love by Jackie. I'm assuming Jackie is the creator of Sonia. I didn't research these products before. I just bought them. I didn't research these products before. I just bought them because they look like they were gonna work well. When it comes to my styling products, I love like the more natural, the better. So let's start with the hair cream. Okay, it comes with the safety seal. Alright. Yeah, this smells very natural. It smells like shea butter. That's what it smells like. Shea butter in this? Water, shea butter, yep, second ingredient. The emulsifier, jojoba oil, chia seed oil, castor oil, aloe vera gel, lavender oil. But it smells just like shea. I smelled it as soon as I opened it. And this consistency, I'm gonna rub on the back of my hand. It's thick, so we know that that's gonna seal in moisture, so that's good. Let me see if it rubs in. If it rubs in, that means it goes in the skin. If it goes in the skin, it goes in the hair. If it sits on top, that's what's gonna do it in the hair. So, let's see. It takes a while to rub it in, but it's on there. Alright. It feels slightly filmy. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but oh, there it is. See the shine. So that's probably the shea. You know, shea can be thick, so we'll see how that goes. And then the flaxseed gel. It also has a safety seal. This is very loose, which is cool because the gel that I currently use is like this natural gel type consistency. Alright, so I already have the cream on here, so let's see how it does with the gel on top. Okay, the gel's pretty watery, which is normal for a flaxseed gel. And it smells like some type of citrus. What was in here? It just has fragrance. Honey. It smells like honey. So it doesn't say that honey's in here, but it definitely smells like honey. So I'm excited to try these products that I got from the Curl Bible. Very convenient service. It's an online beauty supply that delivers all your natural hair goodies to your door. I will leave the link below for all these products. You can find every single one of them on the Curl Bible. It's good to just be able to shop at just one store instead of having to go to all the different brands that I bought today. My name is Alyssa, and thanks for watching. Go ahead and click the link in the description box to get the Curl Bible delivered to your door. Also, don't forget to comment and like on this video.